Imagine this. You've just decided to separate. Your world feels like it's been turned upside down. Emotions are running high: anger, sadness, fear, and uncertainty. Then someone tells you that you need to focus on your finances. It can feel impossible, like trying to solve a complex problem while you're in the middle of an emotional storm. But the reality is that the financial decisions you make during separation can impact your future for years to come. I'm Tailor, and today we're talking about how to protect your financial future during separation. Separation is not just an emotional event. It's also a major financial transition, and when emotions are high, people often make impulsive decisions or avoid making decisions altogether. Both can have lasting consequences. The first step is getting organized and gathering your financial information. You need a clear picture of your financial situation before you can make informed decisions. Start collecting important documents such as bank statements, investment account records, credit card statements, mortgage documents, tax returns, pay stubs, pension statements, insurance policies, and any records related to assets or debts. Having these documents organized will help you understand your financial position and allow your lawyer to provide more effective guidance. The next step is understanding your net family property. For married spouses in Ontario, property division is generally based on the equalization of net family property. This means comparing assets and debts at the date of marriage and the date of separation to determine how wealth accumulated during the marriage should be shared. For common law partners, different rules may apply, but understanding your assets and liabilities remains just as important. Once you have a clear understanding of your financial picture, it's important to establish financial independence strategically. Many people feel tempted to immediately close joint accounts or make major financial changes. Before taking any significant action, it's important to understand the legal and financial consequences. Opening your own bank account, monitoring your credit, and developing independent financial systems can be important steps forward, but they should be approached thoughtfully and with proper advice. Another critical step is creating a realistic budget. Separation often means adjusting to a completely different financial reality. Track your income and expenses carefully. Understand your housing costs, transportation expenses, childcare expenses, debt obligations, and everyday living costs. A realistic budget not only helps you manage your finances, but can also be important when discussing child support, spousal support, or future financial needs. One of the most valuable things you can do during separation is seek professional advice early. Family law, property division, support obligations, and financial planning can become complicated very quickly. Working with experienced professionals can help you understand your rights, avoid costly mistakes, and create a plan that protects your future. People often ask what they should do if they suspect their spouse is hiding assets. If you have concerns about incomplete financial disclosure, it's important to act quickly and seek legal advice. Ontario family law requires full financial disclosure, and there are legal processes available to address situations where information may be missing. Another common question involves spousal support for common law partners. In Ontario, common law partners may be entitled to spousal support if certain legal requirements are met. Every situation is different, which is why individual legal advice is so important. People also frequently ask about joint debts, such as shared credit cards or lines of credit. Even after separation, joint debt can continue to affect both parties. It's important to understand your obligations and address these debts carefully as part of the separation process. The most important thing to remember is that protecting your financial future starts with information, preparation, and thoughtful decision-making. By getting organized, understanding your financial position, creating a realistic budget, and seeking professional guidance, you can build a stronger foundation for the next chapter of your life. Separation is difficult, but it does not have to define your future. With the right support and planning, you can move forward with greater clarity, confidence, and financial security. Contact us if you have any inquiries regarding Ontario family law.